Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 17 of the 30-day meditation journey. Thank you for being here and for taking this journey with me. I know it can be difficult, but you got this. I know you do. If you are just joining us, then please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. You can start this journey whenever you want, and you can do it over and over again. So, before we get on with the meditation, just wanted to let you know about the online workshops that I have. They are pre recorded, so you can do them at your own pace. You have unlimited access to them. And I have a self love and a meditation online workshop. So, if you want to take that deep dive into learning how to love yourself deeper or a deep dive into meditation, then go check it out. So, without further ado, let's get meditating. So, get into a comfortable position where you will not be disturbed for 10 or 15 minutes. And you can lie down, you can sit up, you can sit on a meditation pillow, in a chair, whatever is going to be the best for you. Just make sure that you are comfortable. So just get nice and comfy, relax your body, shake out your body if you have to, adjust your clothing, and close your eyes. Now take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out. Another deep breath through the nose and sigh it out. Just allowing your body to relax, allowing that breath to relax your muscles, your shoulders, your neck. And just continue to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose, nice and slowly. Just make this about ease. Take your time. Just allow your body to relax. When we are in this relaxed state, our bodies have a chance to heal and to replenish and regenerate. So take this time just to allow your body to relax with every breath, allowing those muscles to relax, those tendons, organs. Allow your face to relax. Just as you breathe, just allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into that relaxation. No need to rush. If a thought comes up or an emotion, just allow it to move along and continue to breathe, focusing on the breath. Just releasing and letting go any tension, anything that you might be holding on to from the day or the week. Just allow it to be released from your body. And the inhale and the exhale. Just allow it to flow through your body, relaxing from head to toe, allowing yourself to go deeper with every breath. Continue to breathe, relaxing deeper, releasing. With the intention that your body is healing, the breath is healing. And for you to feel peace, mind, body, and soul. With every breath, with every inhale, chant the word peace. You can say it mentally or you can say it out loud. Peace. And just relax even more. Peace. Just allow that peaceful feeling to wash over you. Every inhale, peace. And just continue. Continue chanting peace with every inhale. Allow the word of peace to flow throughout your body, that feeling of being at peace. Allowing the breath to remind you of your own inner peace, of going deeper into your peaceful state. Peace. Peace. Make sure to breathe. Focus on the breath. Focus on the word peace. Focus on the feeling of peace in your heart. Allow your body to sink deeper into that feeling of peace, that feeling of being at one with everything. Now, if you are ready, you can begin to bring your awareness back into the room, back into your body. If not, you can stay here as long as you like, chanting peace. If you are ready to bring yourself back into awareness of your space, then begin to rub your hands together and place them over your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out. And open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.